Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get developer options on Android device. So I will show you how you can get developer options on an Android device generally and also on Redmi devices specifically. So for that, just go to your settings, and after that on search settings option, just search for build number. Since I'm on a Redmi device, so I won't be shown build number. So as soon as you search for build number, an option will appear. Just tap that option 3 to 4 times and your developer mode will be enabled. And after that, just search for developer options here on the settings tab, and just then select the developer options and change the options as per your need. Now let's see how we can get developer options enabled on an Redmi device. So for that, go to your about phone section, and here right beside MIUI version, you will be able to see this information. Just tap on it 3 to 4 times and developer mode will be enabled for you. And that's how you get developer options on any Android device. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.